Hey folks, that's Mr. McStache, and if he can find some tools, he's going to show you how to change the shocks on your Harley Davidson touring motorcycle.
Oh, you didn't know?
Alright, step one, watch real close because this gets tricky. Reach all the way back underneath here and twist, what is it, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, right? Yeah, lefty-loosey. And keep twisting, keep twisting, keep twisting. And out comes that bolt. Y'all probably know how to take that bolt out. So, we'll lift our seat out of there. And we'll follow the air lines. We'll go back to the Schrader valve here. Push lock system. Push on the ring and pull. And then just take the air lines out. Not a big deal. Push and pull, airline 2 comes out. Now we're ready to remove the shocks. Now to remove the shocks, there's a bolt here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, right there. And there's a bolt right here. They're 3/4 inch. I grab my ratchet, put it on there, and okay, get a little breakaway, squirt it in there to loosen them up a little bit. Sometimes you got to get the right tool. Hey, there it goes. See, told you the shock was broke. Now the bottom has a stud, and the top actually has a long bolt. Like so. So we're going to set them down here with our new shocks. Keep everything the way it's supposed to be. And then, like I said, this one's a bolt, so or a stud, so it'll just stick through there. All right, we're going to hopefully set theirs in there. Blue Loctite. Line up the bottom, line up the top, slide it together. Start the bolt. Looking good. Again, the blue Loctite. I know it's a lock nut, not supposed to need it, but we put it in here anyway. And then we will torque the bolts and nut to 35 to 40 foot-pounds. There we go, 7 inches. Now we're going to roll the locking ring up to it. Let me get that down there where you might be able to see it a little bit better. Okay, then we reach in here and roll the locking ring up to the preload, fasten it down on wrench, and there you have put a shock on your bike. Alright, we have our shock preloaded, pre-assembled the way the other one come off. A little bit of blue Loctite on there. Working between sliding on the bottom and sliding in the top. Uh-oh, I'm going to have to let the bike down some. Tighten it up. Got a little snug here. On your acorn nut and your washer. Dab a blue Loctite on there. Thread your nut. Then get your handy dandy torque wrench. Set 38 foot-pounds. And there you go. You have just replaced shocks on your touring model motorcycle. Piece of cake, nice and easy. Cost you just under 300 bucks. Think about it, your car, you get about 30,000 miles on your shocks. It's probably about time to redo the shocks, right? Well, Mama's trike has 50,000 miles on it and it hadn't been done yet, so it was time. Drag Specialties, I will leave you a review once I get out and ride them, but everybody has told me good about them, and they were highly recommended from several people I know that ride, and we're not talking bike night ride. So yeah, there you go. No shocks were harmed in the making of this video. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content, I'll throw up a couple videos, or I'll throw up a video here. Hit the subscribe button, click on the bell. You'll know when I upload a new one. And you can do a little bit of maintenance and a little bit of fun with Mr. McStache. Love on your family, check on your buddies, and when you get back out there, keep it rubber side down, folks. See ya.